In this lesson, we will discuss pneumatic system uses, pneumatic system sources, bleed monitoring computers, BMCs, cross-bleed duct, pneumatic system switch locations, and the ECAM bleed page. The pneumatic system supplies high-pressure air for the air conditioning system, engine starting, wing anti-icing, water system pressurization, hydraulic reservoir pressurization, and aft-forward cargo heating if installed. The three sources of high-pressure air for the pneumatic system are engine bleed, APU bleed, and high-pressure ground connection. Two bleed monitoring computers, BMC1 and BMC2, the overhead air-conditioned panel, and the ECAM bleed page control and monitor the pneumatic system. A cross-bleed duct interconnects the engine bleed systems and receives air from the APU and a ground source. The pneumatic system switches, located on the overhead air conditioning panel, include the Engine 1 and Engine 2 bleed push-button switches, the APU bleed push-button switch, and the cross-bleed selector switch. The ECAM bleed page can be selected by pressing the bleed push button on the ECAM control panel or is automatically displayed in the event of a pneumatic system fault. The ECAM bleed page displays information on bleed air valve position, temperature, and pressure of engine bleed air sources, and systems supplied. In this lesson, we have discussed pneumatic system uses, pneumatic system sources, bleed monitoring computers, BMCs, cross-bleed duct, pneumatic system switch locations, and the ECAM bleed page.